Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce our most popular tweezers and the glue, our glue. We have lots of kind of tweezers, lots of color. So today we will introduce our tweezer first. The first one is our most popular one. This one is our gold rose tweezer. You can see this one is very shiny, very fantastic, very luxury. If your lashes match this tweezers very much. If your logo is gold rose, then this tweezer is your best choice. And also you can put your logo at this part. Your slogan, your logo, both are okay. We can print many colors. The black one is the best. And this one you can see different from this gold rose one. This one is gold. Many of my customers love gold one than the gold rose one. The gold one is also very luxury, very perfect. And if your logo, put your logo at this part, very luxury, very beautiful. You can see these two sells best, two of our best sellers. Yes. And now let me introduce our matte tweezers. Yeah. This one is also shiny. This one is half pink, half blue, and half light blue. This one is, the color is gradually change. Yes, you can see. This one you can also put your logo at this part. Yeah, this one is very fashion. I think very fashion, very popular. If your logo is this color or this color, yeah, this tweezer must be your best choice. I think this. How about this one? This case. If you order this case, yeah, the logo will match this case very much. How do you think, guys? Yeah, the tweezer one, the tweezer and the holographic, this match very good. And also this one, yeah, you can see this box. This box is also hot pink inside the box. So with this tweezer, yeah, you can see they matches very well. Yeah, you can see this, they are just like a family. Yeah, how do you think? And we also have this color, this hot pink lash brush. Yeah, this brush, we can put this brush. You can see same color, very cute, same color. We can put this brush into the case. Yeah, like this. And your lashes is there. Yeah, very beautiful. And now I will introduce our yellow tweezer. This tweezer also sell very well. If you like yellow and this one is not shiny, this one is matte, you can pick this tweezer. You can see our customer we can make out the logo of our customers on this logo. Very beautiful. Yeah, you can see this one is very energetic. Yeah, looks very young. And this one, yeah, this pink one. Yeah, lots of my customers love pink. And this one is also very young, very cute. If you like pink, this one is your best choice. You can put any shape, any logo, like a heart, like your logo brand name at this part. Very beautiful, very fashion. And compare with this pink one, the purple one, this one is also very beautiful. This one is more, how to say, I think this one is more dreamy. And if you like purple, and this one is your best choice. And this box, wow, they matches very well. I think this box is born because of this tweezer. Yeah, you can see. And yeah, we also have the lash brushes, this pink color to match this box. Yeah, the tweezer, the brushes, the box, they are totally the family, I think. Yeah, and this color. Yeah, how do you think, guys? If I were you, I can't help myself to purchase them. Okay. Oh no, sorry, guys. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, and yeah, purple one and pink one, and this half purple, half blue one. Which one do you like better? They are the same series, I think. And yeah, we also have this one. Wow, this one is very refreshing. How to see? Like very cool. Yeah, very cool in summer. And this green, I call it mint green. Yes, also look very comfortable. Yeah, I love the green one. Yeah, very special. Yeah, and also we have this hot orange one. Yeah, like orange and like very hot, I think. If you like this color, yeah, this tweezer is very special, and your logo put there, white or black, all seems very beautiful, very perfect. Yeah, on this tweezer, and I can't help liking this one, this black one. I like this one very much because this one is very luxury, looks very gorgeous, and this one matches this box very well. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see. How do you think, guys? Very beautiful, these two, and we can put the lashes to see the effect. Yeah, you can see if your customers find you have the black box and the black tweezer, they will think you are very professional. How do you think, guys? Very professional. And we are also professional, so we also have the black lash brushes to match the box, to match the tweezer. Yeah, how do you think? Yeah, very beautiful. The gold rose glitter, the black. Yeah, these two color matches very well. And if your logo is gold rose, that would be perfect. Okay. Now, yeah, we have 3 color of lash tweezers, and we also, I will introduce our lash glue with lash glue with logo. Now you can see we have white glue, black glue, and transparent clear glue, and we have a big size glue and small size glue. These are small size glue, small size 5 ml, and we also have 10 ml. But this tiny one, this smaller one sells the best. They'll sell very fast. Why? Because they are latex free and they won't hurt people's eyes, and they are very sticky and dry very fast. If you purchase our lashes and with this glue, yeah, they will match very well. The black one, if you don't want your glue to be seen, this one is very good. And this one are also invisible. All invisible, just depends on which color you like better. So why I said we are professionals, because we can make glue sticker. You can see this is one of our customers made. We made for her. We have made many of my customers. This one with the beautiful sticker. You can put your website, your email, and some ingredients at this sticker. And we can also, this is a sticker, we can also print directly, print your logo, your brand name on the bottle. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, how do you think? We can print many color. This is just pink and black. We can also print yellow, green, blue, any color you like. Yeah. So you can see if your logo, you can see these two color matches very well. If you have the pink tweezer and pink glue, pink logo, and pink box, your customer will think you are very professional. And also, yeah, we also have big size lash glue. So guys, do you like our glue and all our tweezers? If you like them, just subscribe us, and we will offer more details for you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.